Here we are at new project, Furnace End. Nice grade 2 sandstone listed building by customer Stacey. And look at that view. Beautiful. So we're working in this area. It's an existing sandstone patio with staying cleaned up, regrouted. Sleeper steps dropping down to the second level. And there'll be a seating area, a circle patio kit, again using sandstone. All this hedging coming out, new fencing, sleepers, planting, lighting. Nice raised deck in this area. Fencing will continue all up here, new gate here. That area we're just going to trim, sorry. It's just going to let it sort of go wild. Gazebo going over the top of the hot tub there. This is all coming down. So we'll have some wildflowers, storage area, new gate, and some nice sandstone sets. There's a path running through here, steps down from the decking onto the sandstone set path.